Mpcc President Ibobi has demanded that the upcoming 2027 census be defer until all internally displaced persons (IDPs) are resettled in their original homes. Addressing a press meet held at Congress Bhavan at BT Road, Ibobi argued that the state's current situation is not conducive to conducting a census, noting that around 60,000 IDPs remained in relief camps and community-based travel restrictions between districts still persist. He argued that the central government should have understood that the state's situation was not feasible to exercise census before making any preparation. He also criticized the state government for sending representatives from the ruling party to meet central leaders to defer the census, stating that the move was compelled by strong public agitation. Contending that the opposition and ruling parties must join together in public interest matters, the Mpcc president expressed optimism that central government leaders will treat the issue with the utmost sincerity if both sides collectively push the center. He also contended that conducting delimitation amidst the prevailing situation will not yield productive results and could lead to serious repercussions for the public.
Mayam civil society organization mayam singsina mikok thibase lan illegal immigrants atay state tasu leramba yai ebi Nagaland tasu Mizoram tasu akoi international border state naktanina leramba yai adubu atay state sidana problem leitraga Tripurada or maybe Assam da leitraga akoi sidana henna concern orisi ngasai aina khamjagi biduni akoida laibak thiba thodok thokibse sumaina di thamnariba state singda thokta haita hona birangani mashi hana normancy laknana ba district amaga chathok chachin aduga lairiba idp sing mayam singsi moi gi respective khundu da mai da hanjana ba wachu hona biri mashi hanjandri bhaudi akoi si defer tawbiyo